Today, I am working on a truly monumental display piece for my man cave, my favorite character of all time, Boba Fett. And these files came from Gambody, which is where, if you haven't watched the previous video that I released on the Slave 1 from Gambody, you need to go check that one out as well, because these files are incredible. Now, I scaled these up to 200%, and this is the base that comes in 3 parts. And then I did a mixed medium of resin printing and MDF printing on the body. Of course, the legs would not fit on my resin printer, or I would have resin printed it. However, the parts look wonderful. So we're gonna get diving into this and start the build. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Make sure that you hit that like button down below, subscribe, leave a comment, because it's those things that help support this channel for free and let us do more content for you. Well, there you have it. I have spent the last 3 days working on this, and I gotta say, I'm exhausted. It's the middle of the night, and I just wanted to get this wrapped up because once I started, I just couldn't stop working on it. And this thing turned out amazing. Actually, I'm very proud of myself. I don't claim to be a professional painter. I am not. I'm like 50% good, 50% bad. You never know what you're gonna get when I try to do a paint job. But this thing just went together so flawlessly. I mean, I will say that I did make one mistake, and that was the cape. I should not have put the helmet on before I put the cape on. So I had to kind of cut the cape back a little bit. It's fixed, you can't tell. It's fine, but I ended up putting a little bit of extra work in it. But 33 inches is what this came out at, 200% scaled from the original file. And look, I'm exhausted. My eyes are cross-eyed. I can't see. I've been staring at this thing for the last 5 minutes, just wondering where to even start talking about it on the video. The design files from Gambody, just phenomenal. I'm not going to say that it's like screen accurate or anything, but it's close enough. And this is just unbelievable. I mean, some of the higher end statues that you would buy are, they're pricey, but this cost me $20 in materials maybe. Now I did buy the paints. I had some paints from ArchiveX, and I bought some more paints because I'm getting ready to finish up the Slave 1 build. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll link a card up in the corner here. And I'm getting ready to paint it, but I wanted to do this, same designer. And I wanted to do this first and just test my painting skills. And don't get me wrong, I do paint things, but nothing to this complexity. And I'm absolutely thrilled. I cannot wait to get this down in my collection because it's unreal. I have so many hours in it though, but it was worth every minute that I spent on this. And I'm still seeing certain things here and there that I'm like, I'm gonna tweak that. The base, for instance, it's very boring. I know I didn't want to take a lot of focus off of the figure by doing the base up too much. So I did a bare bones coloring scheme and stuff on the base, and just to try to keep it simple. But this thing's amazing. And Gambody's files just made it this much easier for me to build this. So I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, and more importantly, leave a comment in the comment section down below. And look, I'm not looking for critiques and criticism, but at the end of the day, I have one person that has to be happy with this, and that person's me. And I'm thrilled. I'm actually very surprised at some of the things that I was able to pull off just by experimenting. But anyway, hit the like and subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you guys so much for watching the videos. You guys helped keep us going and made it possible for me to do this because of the influx of just support that I've gotten from everybody lately in the community, and it does not go unnoticed, and I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the Slave 1 painting video. No promises that it's going to turn out good or anything, but I'm willing to now, after this, throw my hat in the ring and give it a paint job. So thank you so much again, and we will see you in the next video.